Swing at Seattle Solo Jazz Saturday. Here's our class review from the stew. Now, the stew starts with this single double kick action. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. We cycle that structure twice. Then we move into our holds. We have a hold, and hold, and hold. Then we double that up. Step, 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 step. After that, we do 3 squat Charlestons into a break. That looks like 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, squat down. In, out, in, squat down. In, out, in, squat down. In, out, and down, and down, and down. After that, boogie backs and boogie forwards. Boogie backs look like boogie back, boogie forward. We cycle that twice. After that, we have pivot step into the slip slop. Pivot, 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 slip, slop, slip, slop. We cycle that twice into fall off the log, rock time. That looks like fall off the log, rock time. Other side, fall off the log, rock time, fall off the log. Then we have our strut, exit, exit, and there it is. Now, with the music.